Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Autods to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where at the left side of the screen, you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting Autods to our store. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is right here at the left side of the screen, under the app section, you want to go ahead and find Add Apps. You want to click on Add Apps. After clicking Add Apps, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can find some of the frequently used applications, and what you can do is scroll down to find the Shopify App Store. So you want to open up the Shopify App Store by clicking on it right here, and after opening up the Shopify App Store, it's going to look like this, where you can find all the apps you can use, and at the top of the screen, you're going to have a search bar. So what we want to do is use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for Autods. After searching for Autods, guys, this is now going to open up the results of all the applications that we can find for our store. As you can see, one of them is going to be Autods. This is the official application, and as you can see, now we can get started with installing it. So all you have to do is just click the install button right here at the left side of the screen. So click install, and after clicking install, this is now going to proceed to this new page, the next page where you can go ahead and proceed with the installation process by clicking the install button. So once you click on the install button right here and proceed with your info, sign into your account, and so on, connected to Shopify, your application is going to appear right here at the main page. In the home menu under apps, you'll be able to find application and you'll be able to access it, open it up, and set up all of your info for dropshipping. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.